Hello, welcome to World on a String Designs. This is Alicia, and today we're going to be unboxing the June 2025 Yarn Bliss Box, and this is by Speckled Finch Studios. And let's get to it. I have already cut open the label on the box, so we can get right in. Ooh, gorgeous. I love the way that she packages these with the little pocket. So there's a little bag of goodies and it slides into the pocket and the yarn is underneath. And I do always save the tissue paper because I'm that kind of person, honestly. But whenever I want to give a present or something, as long as I haven't, it looks like I get this a little crinkled maybe when I peeked. But I reuse it and put it in. They're just always so lovely. So this looks to be a mermaid theme on this one. This is the inspiration photo. And then there is goodies on the back, so it shows what's included. There's a QR code to scan for pattern ideas. There is a coupon code for members. And you can, if you get the box, she has a section on the website for anything that is remaining in stock after the boxes go out. Occasionally she will put out a call that there's stuff available, and you can use that code. Members can get 20% off of anything from that section of the website. So we have Wash Ashore, Soaps and Sundries, and this is Mermaid Dreams, and this looks to be a lip balm. And we also have a sticker, Be a Mermaid and Make Some Waves. Gorgeous. And from winemakersister.etsy.com, that will focus. We have some, oh my gosh, gorgeous stitch markers. So our little mermaid is turned back too, but we have a mermaid and some mermaid scale stitch markers. So one is more green blue and one is more sort of pinkish purple iridescent type. And these are the round lever backs. So you can use these as stitch markers or progress keepers, and you can use them for knit or crochet. Where they open up like that, you can take them off. And in my experience, these fit, I mean, I haven't measured these specific ones, but this looks like it would fit at least a size 7, maybe even a size 8 US knitting needle. So you can get some pretty good size. You're not going to be doing bulky yarn with these sliding over a needle, but a lot of, if you're doing sock knitting, which I have sock yarn, these are going to work just fine if you choose to use them that way. Lovely stitch markers. And let's have a peek at the yarn, shall we? Wow. So this is the solid color. This one is Make Some Waves. And it is a gorgeous, almost like sea glass color. It's a little bit bluish, green, teal. Very lovely color. And then we have, this one is called Mermaid. I get the Hardy sock base, but she does offer a DK base as well. And this is just very lovely. Gorgeous. If you're checking out all these goodies and you're inspired to get your own subscription to the Yarn Bliss Box, there is a code down below that you can use to get $5 off your first subscription box. And I am an affiliate for the Speckled Finch Studios, so I would get a commission on that as well for introducing you to the box, and you'll get $5 off by using that code. So again, this was the June 2025 Yarn Bliss Box subscription box. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one.